What's going on, YouTube? Long time no see. Some sad news. I sold my 98 GT. And I immediately regretted it. So I went out and bought this 97 Cobra. It's basically bone stock. Only modifications, a cold air intake and some shitty exhaust. I bought this car for about half of what I sold my GT for. A little more than half. It's in okay shape, I guess. It was in a minor accident some years ago, and they just did some shitty repairs. The frame's straight, it aligned good, the clear coat's peeling, and they did some shoddy paint work. I assume it was some guy, in a garage doing it. Anyway, it's got a coolant leak. It's from the thermostat housing. So I went ahead and I ordered a whole new cooling system. It'll be in a future video. There's a little signature on the valve cover there. That's probably actually my favorite part of the car. The cooling system looks like a nightmare. I've never had to deal with the Cobras, as I've only had a GT. But should be interesting. And having cruise control on a stick is also new to me. You can see the paint work here. You can see it's kind of lighter and it goes to darker. And the car is wet. But these runs here in this paint, this was definitely repainted. I don't know if it was a piece off a different car. If this was what was damaged or not. But it's something I'll investigate later. Anyway, it's bone stock, needs suspension. I'm pretty sure the radiator hoses are original. They're pretty dry rotted. It's got 100,000 miles. 107,000 miles, actually. I ordered a whole new cooling system. I'll make some videos on that, about how that whole process goes. Even be some links of where you can get some stuff, because I had a hard time tracking down some parts for that. I got a lot of stuff planned for this car. You can follow along in the videos. I'm going to deem this project Red Turd. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you around.